Happy first birthday, Jared Matthew.
Happy birthday, Matthew. Happy birthday, baby Jared.
Now check this. I got that juice. Yeah, I got that juice. Yeah, I know you wanna come get some. I know you wanna come get some. Come get some. I know you wanna come get some.
Happy birthday, Jared.
Hi, Jared. Happy birthday. This is Tito James. I would like to greet you on this first birthday of yours. Happy birthday, and of course, I want you to grow in wisdom and stature with knowledge about Jesus Christ. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, baby Jared. May God bless you to be healthy and feel full of joy.
Hey baby, from Lola Lumen, I wish that you will not only be successful, but a fruitful one. Because if we aim for success, success is always associated with competition. But if we aim fruitful, so pag fruitful ang sarong tao, pati values na develop and nagiging inspiration ang sarong tao. I hope that someday you will inspire many people. Thank you and happy birthday, Matthew.
Happy birthday! Sana magkakula pag-usok kasi nakusok.
Your goodness bring us so much joy. Happy birthday and aron na madakula kang maray na api. Sana pag ano mo pa, saka mo palang may nagtitihan din ng pagkakita mo na kamay ng mga video. Always remember na si Mama and si Papa is very love ka and I'm sure pinangaji ka and ako to tig-wish ka na pag-akit ka nila.
Happy first birthday, Matthew.